Utilizing specialized gloves, workers meticulously sort the bamboo shoots, isolating any imperfections to maintain our high standards.
Here, raw bamboo enters the processing line, where high-speed blades transform it into uniform segments. The industrial blanching line processes thousands of bamboo shoots daily, ensuring perfect sterilization through controlled boiling. Here, fresh bamboo is submerged in superheated water, a critical sterilization step in the high-tech preservation process. Utilizing high-intensity steam injection, the water is maintained at a rolling boil, ensuring the rapid and even cooking of the bamboo shoots. Here at the Food Processing Center, human oversight complements the advanced stainless steel machinery, maintaining rigorous standards.
The steaming hot bamboo is carefully poured onto the inspection tray, ensuring uniform color and the perfect texture required for our premium products.
Utilizing advanced cooling technology, the system rapidly reduces the temperature of the bamboo, locking in flavor and freshness for packaging. Here at the automated bagging station, advanced robotics handle the delicate bamboo shoots with incredible speed and precision. The high-speed laser precision etches critical manufacturing data onto each package as it passes the scanner. Maintaining the cold chain is critical. Our specialized forklifts ensure goods remain refrigerated from dock to storage.
The Global Harvest Foods Initiative ensures that these high-tech products reach consumers worldwide.
Welcome to the future of cold logistics. In this massive facility, temperature control is paramount.
harvested at peak freshness and sealed using our high-tech process.